Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch. And if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. And let me get on my Bitcoin chart here because I was just checking some stocks, some yields, or hedge line trading, but I'll just keep going here. We'll do some analysis on Bitcoin as we've had a massive pump towards the upside today. Again, a very big recovery from that drop that we got just the other day. And then once again, we are still inside this channel. We remain inside. We are very whippy right now. Volatility is definitely high, but we are chopping sideways. But again, if we maintain inside this channel here, we obviously can keep bouncing up and down, right? Like so. Whoops, let me just put that back there. Let me get a little bit of drawing tool here. If we keep bouncing like this for, until the end of the year, maybe we'll reach 40k by next year in January, right? Because as we keep going up, the channel will keep going higher. But I do expect a break eventually, right? So not all good things do come to an end, right? And again, we've been hammering on the upside right now, so we are making higher lows, and you're essentially hitting this $37,900 resistance. Eventually it will break, or the bulls just won't give in. But my best guess is that we need to take some liquidity up here. There's too many stops at this point up here, so we'll probably maybe get like a wick up, and then we'll start to roll over. Again, just pay attention to the daily time frame. We are deep in that green money flow on Bitcoin, but we do have a bearish divergence, right? So that's just something to take into account if you're making your trade. So I do expect maybe one little hump up higher. You can even go up to here, right? And it'll technically still be a bearish divergence on the momentum waves. So what you want is maybe one more pump up here on the momentum waves, and I would like to maybe see like 40k, maybe 42k achieved. And again, this could be like on the Bitcoin ETF being approved or some sort of news like that. And I know there was a lot of news about Binance with CZ stepping down. He's being charged with violating anti-money laundering laws. So again, I don't know. That's just news that's happening in the markets. But overall, Bitcoin is just consolidating at the highs here, so it can make one leg higher. But just don't be surprised if it just starts to fall apart real quick and it just starts to come back down in a pretty dramatic fashion. But technically, it should be in its final wave 5 here, and you should get to these levels. But again, there's nothing guaranteed in these markets. If you guys want to get access to the trades that we're doing inside the Discord, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Hayden's been making a couple of trades here and there. He had a long on Link, which actually got a nice, I should say all altcoins got a nice little pump today. Link is back up to 1440 after its big dump to 1320, and you could probably tell Rune and a handful of other ones had like a 20% pump today as well. Same thing for Uniswap actually pumped up all the way up here. It actually came right to our resistance. We're actually just chilling at resistance right now. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow, but overall, a massive rally towards the upside. We are getting some selling here, not too surprising. Some people are definitely going to take some profits, but we'll have to see if we get more of a continuation tomorrow. And again, happy Thanksgiving to everyone that is an American. You guys it's your Thanksgiving holiday tomorrow. The markets are going to be closed except for crypto. Crypto is always open. There's going to be a lot of discussion probably at Thanksgiving about how much everyone's made in the crypto markets with their families. Probably get a lot of people invested in. So maybe we'll get a dump afterwards, right? Or maybe we'll get a pump and then a dump. So my best guess is that maybe you'll get a pump and dump in your wave 5. But we'll see. We'll just take it day by day. And then let me just take a look here. Maybe a few other charts. I do cover the DXY from time to time with Bitcoin, but sometimes it has no impact as well. So the DXY is actually a little bit more of a complicated, more of a complex correction here. So you just basically have an extension of the C wave, which would bring us all the way down here. And then have to redraw this entire pattern. It's no longer like a 1, 2, 3. It's probably more of like a WXY, something like that. And you'll probably come back up in a B wave, and then you'll start to come back down. But overall, the dollar is getting to some oversold conditions here. It can go lower, right? Don't discount it. So the dollar was consolidating at the highs on the weekly. Sometimes those patterns can break up towards the upside, but overall, you're getting a very big green dot on that DXY right now on market cipher. Right, so if the dollar strengthens here and holds its ground, you can have a big spike up, and then that can bring down the markets, right? So the dollar going back up, it won't be that bullish for gold or equities. But again, the market didn't seem to care today on the S&P. It's just a very light volume environment that we're in. We're in the holiday season, so everything tends to float up. Excuse me, a little bit of a burp. Maybe that's a bullish burp, which means we're gonna get some more upside in Bitcoin. But yeah, overall, right now, nothing much to add. The wave 5, sorry, not the wave 5. Oh yeah, so actually there's a bullish count and a bearish count. So let me just go back here. So essentially, maybe this is your wave 4. This could be your wave 4 finish, and you should come up in a wave 5. But if it's the bearish, then the wave 5 could be finished either here or there. Or you can redraw the count many different ways. But if you do keep coming up, you'll probably come up to 42K. But if it's finished, then you should start to come back down on this this divergence that we got going on the daily. But you're very heavy in that green money flow. 4 hours like dwindling at this point. You're just basically at the 0 line. The 1 hour is actually in the red right now, believe it or not, even after this massive rally that we got from the lows here. So the 1 hour is it's not really doing too well. But again, I'll defer to your better judgment to do what you want. The 4 hour still has not confirmed this sell signal here on the 4 hour time frame. But again, it's still got 2 days left, and we'll have to see if it does end up confirming. Okay. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. We're almost at 30K subs.